Step 2. Name that longest carbon chain. After locating the chain and determining the 4-chain long carbon atoms earlier, we are now in naming it. The 4 carbons earlier is equal to the root word, which we can identify through the corresponding name of it by looking at the table. Let's take a look. Did you guys already determine if what is the latter 4 carbon corresponding root word? Yes, you are right. It's Buddha, since 4 is equivalent to Buddhathan, that is basically the root word name of our chain. Third step, figure out what the ending suffix should be. If there is a functional group in your compound, all you will need is to find the suffix that goes with the end of your name. Functional group are some specific group molecules you can easily spot in a compound. In the compound showed earlier, the functional group present is a single bonded carbon. Why don't we try locating it at the table of suffix endings? As you noticed that the ending for the alkane is ane. When we get the base name of but, add ane and we get that the name for the parent chain, which is butane. Step 4. Number your carbon atoms. Since we already have butane, the other step to take is to notice any side groups or any molecule or atom that hangs from your longest chain. After that, it's necessary to locate the 2 ends of the chain and identify which end is nearer to the side or to the branched chain. Afterward, the sequence of numbering will begin in this phase and so on. For example, maybe you are wondering right now why we can't do the counting the other way around. Simply because the goal of locating the position of the branched group should indicate the shortest number possible. Fifth step, naming the side groups. This second to the last step of naming alkane of organic compound is through determining the side group S to be included for the chemical name. Take note that it's important to emphasize that the numbering of the carbon chain must address the